My nickname is Tina Shilego Masha, Mutijimai.
Alright.
Tito.
Alright.
Amazio, what's that?
Alright.
I'm getting bully over the chef is Oka.
How is
Yeah, music that I'm from shy music here, but so I don't like to be in a failed singing career. I have a failed singing career and family. Even some unfortunate.
Okay.
I'm gonna be honest.
So to look quiet.
And young banka 0 to 10. That's I put some shy no more. Only 0-4-0 freestyle.
Sure.
Okay, 0-4 freestyle. No, we're just playing around with you and we touch like Ibrahim, you know.
Sure.
That's my brother, man. We're just playing around in the studio. We never planned for the song. Okay, it's a mood of them really. I'm a shareholder, like perfect. I was looking at San really. Now it's a mood of them. It's a mood of something for me.
Sure.
So we were looking
at it.
Yes, I do.
So
we're looking at the 2473 Valas to the Pulong. Don't open what's in the Gindabasaka. Don't tell me no more infection like in the Gindabasaka because it's not good for your health to like in the Gindabasaka.
You are very with my teacher, you better get clean.
Yeah, I'm going to be crazy. So I don't understand. Whenever it's calling young children, that's my calling. Like I believe I need to it is young children Valentino Banderas. I wanna mbonile kahle ukuthi children nabombali it was not meant to him in the game. Angeke uchildren umuntu order
that's why I'm come back lapha kule number.
It's impossible like
Mujapilo no JP Forest phakathi kweQuantum sirenga wonke umzansi boy isukile boy.
Let's go right to the sound of good times. Let's go right to the sound of good times. Tina na machita spetu bocheru betu.
Another day, another dollar, another podcast, another episode. Itawola Shafira, welcome to another exciting episode of iQuantum Podcast, podcast yaseKasi, podcast yomphakathi. Vandag we are coming to you live from eBuffet at 1632 ePhumlong eKaslamakasi. Abayikavayo bathi 1633 njengengulube. Buffet is always vandag I'm not rolling solo. Passenger seat ngiphethe inja yami hlale ngizwa bafethu bathi uMessi iGoat vandag ngiphethe the original goat bafethu the guy that became the goat before the goats were on fashion vandag ngiphethe uMuzi lembuzi
nja yami introduction le I say understand I don't
welcome to Quantum.
Yeah, thank you for the invite, man. Ngiyabonga nje yami.
Vandag renka nami
renka nami Quantum
number 1 market hlale ngisho ngithi mina namachita siphetha buchiro bethu jikeleza wonke umzansi
ngeQuantum one way
phezkwabo awuthi awusitshela ubani uMuzi.
Bafethu Muzi, man. My full name is Muzi Omhlelo really. I went to Nokum Park High School. Matriculated in 2015.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Muzi, man. Then I said Pechikazi. I grew up in Pechikazi. Before I started Pechikazi, I used to live in Joburg CBD. The whole CBD, because I CBD, baba. I can't CBD anymore. Baba, I'm starting na mangamba school, baba. Owoni ngamba shaya. Yeah, Joe, owoni ngamba hamba nenjele ezincane lezi. Babiza ni korobho like us. Ngamba ekuseni. Ngangithenga ijozi, sase ijozi. Fresh ijozi mfethu. So yeah, I'm going to CBD, and then me and my parents moved to Pechikazi in 2006 when Italy won the World Cup. That's how I know who moved
right.
So yeah, that's just to move in short. So I'm going to and yeah, obviously my parents are still alive.
Ubani la uthaka KO.
Never. No, I put one now. Those are my older bros. So yeah, man, yeah.
Okay. usaringa nge-discount yami uringa nge-Italy till World Cup
2006. Yeah.
sure awusitshele wena-ke ngedisc ukuthi upheleliphi ngediscount yami because ngiyakubona uyadlala nala hip hop team
Yeah.
so ubuyaphi ngedisc uqale nini idisc
Okay, I met this kid, I think 2008. I used to play for a club called Pichigas Football Club. In the charity that I understand the point because in my school, I'm affecting junior. I'm a resources to play football. So basically, let's see the ground in the or the passage. So I think which is two from job activity coming here actually played a big role. Because that was my first team. I joined the Pichigas Football Club. I think I was like 18, 14. Then obviously I was there. I'm 14. I was Polish. I'm a cheat. You pay a year, maybe spend 1,000 rand a year. No one is polishing you. It's 2 hours, Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, cool. Jump into that. Under 15. Under 15 is okay, man. You have knowledge. And then I played for the Eastern team in Kolini. I played for Eastern's team. And then that's where I started getting Local Park High School again.
I don't know
how much of that.
Like us, we're not happy next. How much it will volunteer and just cut out.
What's that, legend?
Yeah, this cut familiar. After that, after 10 years, when I was so successful, and I can't mix the team somebody.
Yeah.
But otherwise, again, to don't get a hip hop team.
So before we get a hip hop team, forgot about the I'm telling about the soccer, how everything, the chain of the soccer thing happened.
Sure.
So played for the Eastern team. Then that's why I went to Local Park High School, one of the biggest schools in the country. I can say that with my full on heart. We are definitely the best. Even if maybe we cannot be top 2, but we definitely in top 10. Definitely top 10 when it comes to sports, when it comes to soccer.
They produce ever.
So soccer, we have Diamond Tapula, we have Baju Sinomadi,
Okay.
or Augustine Dampela,
Sure.
Paul Matehani, Ukinael Nkumulabani, Zresa Mashaba. Besides even the celebrity in the countries, man, like I would Touchline, I would Big Star Johnson, I would Pelmi
Media.
Andy Ngube,
Sure.
Muzi the Muzi,
All right.
Frank Casino.
Sure.
Spanning, it's just
Star
a school, it's just a school of talent, man.
Sure.
So I came here the first team. I said, okay, I played for the first team when I came. I think it played a big role in my career to shape me because we're playing with one of the biggest schools around the country. We played the biggest tournaments in the country. So it was dog in the tournaments. Yeah, so after that, at that time when I was still playing for Lockham, I was also playing for Wits University. I played for Wits for like 2 to 3 seasons. After that, I moved from Wits to Highlands Park. I played for Highlands Park, I think, for 2 seasons. Then I played for some agency team. I won that. I thought maybe they were going to do something for me. Unfortunately, nothing materialized from that. Then obviously because Umuntu Otani Bona, I played the Kempton Park Football Club. I played for the time being, but I think I didn't lose interest in football. I love the team from football. Football I really shape by every day. So everything that I've learned in football is shaping me well. So in the food I put in the years improvement, like those tactics, that teamwork, in the end of day to day in my life. So that's just me, yeah.
Hey, last time this ring off camera, tell me shy more.
No, if I'm going to be a team coach,
Sure.
I need my players to be my left wing and right wing. I'm going to shy more.
So dealing with the praise,
I want fouls, I want penalties. That's what I'm full of those but very good man.
Sure.
But we need penalties, we need free kicks, we need something to move on. Because we know if we have 2 people that are running all the time, something is gonna happen in boxing.
Sure.
Yeah, because you obviously wanna play a team that's if you wanna play if we say it's perfect FC now, we're gonna play against Barcelona. If we know with Keshab, they're obviously stronger than us. But if you have 2 wingers that we know that they don't get tired, and we just make sure that make penalties, they won't make shy pass. See when you look at it.
Sure.
Because
it depends spanning over time.
Yeah, Joey just a shy pass in 90 minutes. As long as we do shy more to left wing, shy pass 90 minutes.
When I was Gila, Marabona,
I can say it's shy pass.
When we like position,
So Mangala is central midfielder, original position. That's my position. My nickname is Tina Shinegomasha, Motichimali.
Alright.
Tito.
Alright.
Mazio, what's
Alright.
I'm getting bullied, which is Oka.
Awuyisho. Asingene ku-music kothi yami. I-passion music kuya.
Passion in music, great. In music, I'm from different music here. So I don't like to in a failed singing career. I have a failed singing career in Zambia. If I'm unfortunate,
Okay.
I'm gonna be honest.
So uculile quiet.
And young Kuli, Banka 0 out of 10. That's I put school shine no more.
Abangayishuki baby.
I'm singing.
Hayi bangayishuki baby. Hayi bangayishuki. 0 Tam.
Yeah,
Abasagayi
I'm
nethunya.
a good singer, man. I'm a good singer. But eventually, I had a passion for DJ. I'm cool. I had passion, but obviously, growing up, my parents already obviously knew about the industry or whatever, but they didn't want to sing DJ. So I like DJing because I don't know who's George and my fellow and CBT. So when it's George and but it wasn't like a mixing thing with the mixer. So they would stop. I'm a soul DJ then I time to stop and play and so yeah, that's how I never music because I'm from school and so my stuff is superstar.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, singing was not my thing, voice I for me, and eventually I had a passion for DJing, and then I'm talking about when I was like 12, 13 years of age. Yeah, I'm taller. I'm a city manje that are way advanced. I'm taller. But obviously, I was not teaching that much at that time. I was still young. I was still in school.
Maybe ugeleze ngabo 40 minutes.
No, I'm a
No. What is it?
Visual DJ.
Yeah, visual DJ.
No, visual DJ. Yeah, something. Whatever I'm doing in my life, I'm self-taught. No one taught me what to do. I'm self-taught. Photography, I'm self-taught. Videography, I'm self-taught. DJing, I'm self-taught. Photography, I'm self-taught.
Hey, only check up on
I like it.
That's why
I'm self-taught, like, because what I realized is like I didn't want to be bothering around. Okay, I'm saying or something because I remember watching photography because I met with I was hosted an event. That's all. When I was hosting an event, I'm like, my cousin, told me that. I was like, okay, my cousin, I said, no, I'm going to do photography going forward. That's how I became a photographer. I taught myself. Okay, this is how it's done. Okay. That's how I became a photographer, videographer. That's how I became. Because it's 2 in 1, you can do it in one camera.
Yeah, most definitely.
So,
Alright, so ngiyakubona nina uthi yami kutreke ka touchline. Ukhomba bonke lapha ya. Benzeni abantwana bakhomba kangaka.
only 040 freestyle.
Sure.
The 040 freestyle. No, we're just playing around the studio with the touchline, Brian,
Sure.
That's my brother, man. We're just playing around in the studio. We never planned for a song. It's just a freestyle, true, but it turned out to be something else, unfortunately. Because I didn't see it because that song is playing on TV every day. Like, I'm so surprised now. We're just recording songs, a shooter.
You're just fooling around.
Yeah, I was just fooling around and then it became okay sharp. I think most people, that's how they know me by touchline. I didn't know how I was in some other way besides. So, yeah.
So record no studio one.
Yeah, we use the same studio.
Tell us about your relationship.
So Touchline is my brother. I've known him over 15 years now.
Okay, there's another one.
No, he was older than me.
But now we know.
Yeah, he's from Welcome too. So when I was in grade 9, I think I was in matric at the time. Yeah, so yeah, go on.
Chico, ngani? You see. That's not true. It's not true. The podcast.
Yeah, cool. That's the before school.
Aware. By the way, Buffet, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Buffet too, and press the bell Buffet to every time as you on notify. Understand? So, sise Buffet. Night black. Buffet. Ofuni kote mnandi. Yasekasi. Amachita ba winning the award Buffet. Amachita winning the award Buffet. Oh, before sibuyela music bafethu sese la asivele singene bafethu. Awusitshele kahle if bafethu isikhiphala kuthi yami. Ivibe bafethu, Bafethi yini responsibility yakho ngalawo?
Okay, as umuzi womdluli, I'm a shareholder like Buffett.
Awe.
Khensani Mdluli. Now as umuzi womdluli, sa umdluli sonke ngifemeli.
Sure.
So we were located.
Nonke niyadlula.
Yes, I do.
Ngekho Blumi.
So we're located at 2473 Vala Street, Pulong.
Sure.
Buffett, you know, check on Google Maps yakho. Uzoyithola. Uzoshare space egate lethu. Angeke ushiye Cape Town, ushiye Angola, uyoshiya eMnyango straight.
Sure.
We the best quarter spot in Tembisa in 2024. So come
I
through.
approve.
Come through, taste our food.
Yeah.
We have a menu here, guys. You can check us out. Check us on social media and all pages at Buffett_official. For free, come through and let's have fun. We're open 7 days a week.
Sure.
From 8 16 until 9.
Yeah.
9 Buffett.
All right. Manje le award nithi ngingamalini.
Bitch. Let's take an award. Second of awards. What is it?
Ngimile kanjani?
No, bitch. I know. I believe no. I see.
Ungayibeka nje khona.
No. First of the pipe. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So no. But this is all the hard work we've been putting in through the years. These are the fruits. Young Tola, we worked hard for this place, man. I know maybe it might not be perfect, but we're somewhere. This man is just a motivation to do much better. It's cool as a band to say, it's a motivation. Now we are able to like, you cannot stop now. So you need to be motivated, even motivation. Better there was no money involved. I don't know how, but it is what it is. Story for another day when we grow up. When we grow up, there was no money.
Sure.
Yeah, it's just a positive, man. Just keep the positive. It doesn't. You started this, and then you stop the man. You just looking forward.
No, it's a good motivation. Trust me, it's a good motivation. But well deserved, I'll tell you. Now siyazibonela.
Yeah, siyazibonela.
Akekho uyishaya ikota njengani.
Yeah, but siyazibonela iproof. Siyazibonela.
Sure. So banominate kanjani? Bazi kanjani ngani?
Oh, bese ngazo ngiyaphusha ukuthi swangene these awards.
Sure.
Amathemisa awards. There was procedures. I think we had to register. And then I think we had to cut down numbers to like maybe 4 in a group or whatever. And then that's how it is.
Ngoba vele babhaya abantu abashaya ikota.
Yeah, but as many like us, 100 million.
Sure.
So
out of 100 million nje na vele nabo number 1.
Cabanga, Themisa, how many?
Congrats, mother.
Thank you very much.
All right. Fethu nayikota siyagawula manje semnandi. Asibuyele ku music awuthiyami.
Yeah.
Yabo. Asitshele nge-album yakho, la album engaka.
So my first project is called Sizwa Ngawe. Dropped it in 2022. It's 2022. Yeah, 2022. Shout out to Cypher Beats, the nigga who actually made it happen. Shout out to Sleek Camp, company yake. So Sizwa Ngawe, it's all about yonke into ekhuluma Sizwa Ngawe.
All right.
Now into ngitshela yona manje ukuthi we're the first quarter Sizwa Ngawe.
Sure.
Sizwa Ngawe.
Any controversial. Brand yakho naka indaba zakho.
Sizwa Ngawe.
Sizwa Ngawe.
Yeah, so shout out to everyone who contributed towards that project. Shout out to Bob Mabena, Psy, Mendy's A, Mavs, but anyone who part of this was my first project where I was a Super Saiyan. You like green? My first ever baby. I like it in your Italian project. Yeah, shout out to
Ruby cheat.
No. I'm the only one. I'm a superhero. I'm the only one. Muslim food.
Alright.
Shout out to everyone who contributed. Then this year, 2024, I dropped my second project called Killing the Youth.
Killing the Youth.
Yeah.
Ubulalelani without you?
No, I'm not killing the youth. That's not I'm killing the youth.
Babulala ngenao.
Yeah, babulala ngenao.
Alright.
So meaning killing the youth, it means that we as musicians, we have our music can change people's lives basically. So with our music and the message, can actually change people's mindsets, lifestyles and stuff. That's how I came up with the concept called Killing the Youth. So if you're not killing the youth, you feel like you're helping them. So it's up to you how you take it. So we're Killing the Youth. I have 8 tracks. Peter Miku, Petu Labs, Petu Chunky, Clean Chunky, Petu Shakespeare, Petu Mendy, Petu Craig Luniki. Investe umatala naye. Investe umatala. Investe nePerfect nayo because like Perfect actually shout out to Perfect as the company. He plays a big role in this project as much as people don't know. He plays a big project. Yeah, so yeah, man.
Alright. Sithola kanjani? Available on digital platforms.
Okay. All of the projects that are available on digital platforms, on Sticker on Live. Just say Muslim Boozy, man. On Audiomack. Kamala, guys, mina MUZI the Mbuzi. Animals Muzi, lo. Animals ngimuzwa ngani? Ngizwa ngani? Mina ngazi MUZETHEMBUZI.
Usebakapa man. Usebakapa.
Yeah, it's true, Joe.
Sure.
So yeah, we Muslim Boozy ngimazi. Lo munye umuza ngimazi. So yeah.
Ngizobathi dube ngahaphi bathi ngani happy rap.
Hawu ngani happy.
Ngizolothatha la uringa ngayo lapho le.
Athi ubhemi happy yakamuzi. Keep intuthu.
Shit umuzi hlala phethi happy.
No, so when like I was not entirely happy, you know. Yeah, happy. Like it's like me now, like even on the alcohol. If alcohol is corner mine, I drink alcohol. If there's happy now, I smoke. If there's nothing, it's fine. I just continue life. If there's nothing, it's just how it is. So for example, maybe ungeza every day umthole la and uthola ukuthi ihambi ngicela bukhona ngicabanga ukuthi lo uyadawa. No, it's not like that. No, it's there. If it's not there, it's fine. I continue my life. It's like a normal thing. You know. So yeah.
Asingeni brain ukuthi
Yeah.
nakindaba zakho. Why nakindaba zakho?
So this brand of it, nakindaba zakho. Guys, this brand 3 times winning clothing brand in Ekurhuleni.
For real?
3 times winning clothing brand. We've competed amongst the biggest in Ekurhuleni. We've come top. That's it. So this is nakindaba zakho, Bafethu. I brand when I was in Matric in 2015. From there I've never looked back, Bafethu. I never looked back. So I let brand them video. Because last time my sister uthenga ibox izinto ebox sikasibisa ngenhloko manje bamkhuluma kabi ekazi mfethu yabo so ngicabanga ukuthi azini ngiqala ibrand bathina indaba zakhe yabo so ukuthi umunye mfethu anake indaba zakhe because it's not good for your health to nake indaba zakho yabo so I prefer ukuthi nake indaba zakho phuza amanzi uqhubeke ngempilo yakho
ukuthi uBig Zulu 12 or akathwalanga ngindawo nakindaba zakho
just nakindaba zakho yeah yeah
manje awusitshela ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ne game next to hip hop team
yeah
so surprise mawubona uBig Zulu lapho umbuzi ukuthi vele leya voice yakhe na or
ay ngiyazi boy angazi ukukhuluma ngani
no mara ngisho out yakho phela lonke ngiyeba nakidisi thina siyakuthuma nje sibuze lena
I don't know anything about that unfortunately angazi ukuthi nakhona ngizwa ngayo manje njalo
wow nakindaba zakho
ngiyanakeza la ngizwa ngayo futhi
ngizwa ngayo ngale brand ile All right. Otiam, tell us about your latest project, Busy now.
So now I'm busy with helping the youth. From killing the youth, we're helping them now.
Sure.
So that's what I'm busy with. Nabo Changi, Nabo Mebs, Nabo Miku.
Sure.
Yeah, we're busy with helping the youth. And obviously we want to make Perfect much bigger. We just want to expand the place. And obviously, nakindaba zakho now, obviously, we gearing up for actually dropping a new collection. I'm wearing the new collection now as we speak. Nakindaba zakho. So we're also gearing up for e-winter. So soon on social media, we're going to this new collection, and then obviously the winter collection that's coming up.
Sure. Yeah.
How
you balance kanjani? Videograph, photograph, music, we are DJ, okay, push brand, ngapha dlala idisi. Usibalance kanjani into ezingawiwa?
Konje bangibiza ngobani Brian? Kama nami.
Muzile Mbuzi.
Danko. Yazikhulumela. I'm the coach. I know I'm managed kathi nje yami. Like I manage nje yami like I dedicate myself to my work because ngiyazithanda. I'm a person of morals, values, ethics and stuff. I know I put in 100%. As I said, yonke into engiyenza ebhodeni ngiyenza in my hustle. So everything that if it's teamwork, I also do it in my day to day. It is given to like I always say everything you do it is key. Sure. Teamwork, when to attack, when to defend. when to whatever, how to communicate with people, how to respect, to actually take responsibility of your mistakes. Or like I always to put it, I always say, you type up into my all of the hustles I'm doing. So that's just me as Muslim. That's why I think I'm a mistake.
Sure. I'm going to
Muslim who's for a reason.
Sure. I think Bonnie the previous weeks in Jibupi.
Yo, she had a lot of gigs. Yo, that's all with yo. Why without DJ? Every day he's on. That's us.
Sure.
The next day. But it's a top experience, man, to actually see other talented DJs at night. You like meet a lot of people, you network with a lot of people, different types of people, white, black, colored.
Vlog. We were very with my teacher, keep it the cream.
Yeah, I'm doing the crane, man. Yeah, I'm doing the
Oh, keep it up as
sometimes I need to be comfortable as much as possible.
Sure.
Like anything you do, you want to be comfortable.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say put any size 9 to size 6.
Sure.
Yeah, so you need to be comfortable as much as possible. No, be comfortable.
Mas já mama fica para te create ali com os vezes já.
Create, I also call the create.
Gotcha.
Everyone has to be made.
Okay.
I eventually, if you don't have a create in your establishment, what do you have in it?
She's banging like na Facebook still not give.
Yeah, but I need to be comfortable because I'm short, so I need to understand what to sharp. Yeah, but everything that needs to be required for my DJ set to actually happen. That's all. So yeah.
I just read the story Jaya. We DJ page. Tina maskula besa DJ page abantwana page.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kunjalo ke. Plus ngiyabona swag is on point yabo.
Yeah, phela mina ngikhombisa ngizama kuphela ngisho. So I don't understand.
Awe.
Whenever it's calling and ukujula nabelungu mfethu. That's my calling. Like I believe I need to ukujula nabo Valentino Banderas. From Spanish girls, Italian. That's just me. That's my calling. Man, I'm dating a white person. I'm not in a relationship. I'm dating. I'm getting to know her.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a calling thing.
Oh, you calling?
Yeah, it's a calling.
Yeah. Elaborate.
Yeah. It just had to happen like that. I'm going to employ my levels of fun.
Oh, you're calling umuntu isangoma, umuntu calling.
No, when I'm calling me now, you let me calling now. I wanna ngibonile ngathi utshela nabombali it was not meant to him enzeke kimi. Akeke utshela nomuntu order a full chicken coffee date ekseni.
That's why babakhomba kanje lapha kuya number.
It's impossible my cousin like that kind of behavior is totally unacceptable. You cannot
akwenzina bomba.
No, I'm not.
No. I'm not talking about umbali. I understand. Kulera uthi yabona same page. Akwenzina bomba.
No, abangenzanga lutho. It's just a matter ukuthi angeke bethu ubiza umuntu for i-coffee date ekseni. Umuntu order a full chicken nesavana. Yeah. My cousin is everything fine at home. Like we on a coffee date. I'm getting to know you. We're on a date. You cannot tell me ukuthi wena I don't care about your looks. Your looks won't change my life. I'm making you a favor instead of me being there already. I'm just making you a favor. I'm getting to know you. Me taking to the next step, it means I'm interested in you. But if you're gonna order a full chicken next day or 8 on a coffee date, are you fine, my cousin? Are you fine, my cousin? Like really, really, really fine.
Yeah, but I'll tell you, it's cool because it's was a coffee date.
I'm not saying we should not have snacks, but it's a coffee date. Like everyone went to school. You cannot tell me what you coffee when now we have coffee. You know when you put the coffee or the tea. But imagine different ways to put the restaurant.
When I'm the petty mentality to coffee in your order restaurant. You know that.
Thinking I no moon. Now keep moon to pay. To born is using them you understand.
Also when that's all it's a
yeah, I'm just a manga I'm feature.
I sell out.
Yeah, feature. Sell out. It's cool. I didn't kill me. And then nobody simple. Good for your health. It's good for your health.
I'm a pet in the car. It's part of quantum. Hi, I just getting out of garage. So till the gas will see a season. La Payom Tripeno, which is Petel and what's trending on the quantum. Eat all.
Hey yo, what's up? It's your boy Tabongo Silas Nambi. Let's teach you. Let's demand Bailey although 1632 but ungasondeli uzomenza bho ngoba uyazi khothina manje njengoba nisibona siphakathi kweQuantum podcast ngithi hayi intedela indaba zami ngimkhombisa ukuthi into kwenzakalani ofisa uzwile ukuthi uBig Zulu ungene phakathi kweaccident ayishiyele mfethu bathi inkaba izoni idlana kodwa zayihlaba kodwa mfethu la ukhona sicela ukuphole ube right ngithi nisabhekile bafethu uPitso Msimane terminate i-contract yakhe because of ama-salary what angeke wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngale phesheya kodwa hayi angeke ngikhulume kuningi ukuthi manje into engihlekisa kakhulu mfethu ngiyaphinda futhi ngizwa bathi u-M2 uyeka insango M2 insango lini uyekile kanjani hayi mara bafethu yazini bathi it's never too late until it's too late yabona ngo-MT unikhombisa ukuthi it's never too late until it's too late uphinde futhi u-MT futhi ungena unotha baloyi phakathi kwale nto leke yini podcast LT lo cabanga mfethu and njengoba nibonile ku Big Brother ukuthi uBonnie B no Savage ba evicted umbuzi lalela khona igodi lamagoti lalela ngiyazini hayi bafethu noba nibonile ukuthi uGogo Maweni bafethu uthole ibail ye 5,000 bail uphumile bafethu angifuni ukukhuluma okuningi ngoba ngathola seyingishaya but hey angifuni ukukhuluma okuningi bafethu ngivale kanjalo bafethu niyazi la sinambula stages la student ngamdrepeni eCamp Snatch obone labantu ngisawubona abantu aba right danko.
Welcome back. You're still chilling with your boy Camp Snatch. Sesengayiba fethu iPMG eKasilamakasi iphumlungu eBuffet bafethu. Sikawula kamnandi yazi ibiliboto. Amakhala vista.
Yeah.
Awe. Ngisaphethe igoat bafethu. Shithi ngiphethe igoat enzima kakhulu ukuthi ngavele ngislot nje ngishaya ispan.
Niggas looking at me now mate slaughter a goat. Yeah.
Awe. Buffet isanda abantwana buffet.
Buffet
Jesu wathi vumelana abantwana
come to
bezini.
children with ice cream, with nice food for your children, guys. Yeah, she's not in a relationship with me. It's that summertime again.
Izisha.
Have fun. Relationship with me. Yeah, but yes, I have but I just go.
Sure.
So come to with the children, guys. So we have my ice cream. We'll be posting new images of my ice cream on our social media pages.
Sure.
It's in Sundays are for buffet. Next week is Sunday, the 8th of what?
Oh, but Sundays are for lovers.
Sundays are for buffet.
Alright.
So guys, we play soul music, we chill, we get to know each other.
Alright.
Come through, Jay.
Yini yenzakala ibuffet beside soul music. Okay, asira ngemenyweni buffet. Mina mangishaya round yipi into engayi-order icava ukuthi hayi lezo ngiphatha
Yo, Pata Sharp, akuya ngesisaka, but I mean, Young Lion, Big 5. You know, most of them was caught 250 rand. I'm saying now.
Yo.
So, it's the challenge. It's about my music pass, but it's the music the music caught that because why? Come on, move on,
good.
Music
Mbuzi.
Danko.
Sure.
So, yeah, part of the whole love. There's a lot of stuff inside the made. So we have a challenge. If you can finish it in 20 minutes, you don't pay for it. Nah, someone tried. Ihakwe tried. They're going to show his cards.
Alright.
They okay. But no one has ever attempted to finish the card. But call umunye imazi ngachula naye. You spend the money for 2 weeks. No, but no, I'm just saying, you know, she's definitely a wonderful woman, but I'm just saying it's like better to know succeed. Yeah.
But I let's see perfect again.
Let's go for the it's like see you on it's possible.
Yeah.
So
okay, besides that, Muslim Mbuzi,
Muslim Mbuzi kota. So it's the reps. Ama reps is 14. I wanna some sporty body, you know. Sporty body is good. I want to into the money get Jimmy. With a healthy, nama salad, nama rep, nama chips, yeah. Yeah, I'm a rep to 45 rand. So yeah, going to be so bad more rep, nama salad, nama reason. Nama kamera, nama visa. As coleslaw, man. Then call nama kamera.
Alright.
Then nama cucumber, nama lettuce,
Sure.
Yeah. So yeah, we have that. Namakota to 15 rand to very last number Muslim Mbuzi 1250. Pesa ma ribs, pesa ma combo, pesa ma ice cream, pesa ma cola, none of which. Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, but the thing is dope. But I mean, there's a variety of stuff, man. You can also mix and match what you want. I'm sorry, no, man. So you want I'm a ribs, full of chicken, full of mapera, nana, rap. So yeah.
All right. My what call I'm a celebrity out here. Nenyo. Ngikubona amasele baposte ngayiyezo azogawula ikota.
So
Umuntu angasuka santini azobhaya ikota yasephumlo.
no, but guys, we
Why
want
not
this.
Nenyo?
We're that. It makes sense why we want this award.
Sure,
We want to be the best. That's what I want to say. So last week, in same as when we won the award, I don't know, it was last week. It was last week on in.
Yeah,
So
two weeks back.
2 weeks back on. Joe, like, also, I want to one day to come and taste our content. I was like, okay, cool. Then some months back, I remember there was people from Rustenburg was seeing Muslim. I was like, okay, cool. That it means we're doing something right.
Sure.
Yeah, and so on. So I'm just happy for what you said in the right and positivity.
I'll share a recipe of it.
Recipe.
Nathi phela sifuna ukuyishaya kodwa mhlawumbe ngaba nelakhe yabona
Recipe is support one another, love one another, naka indaba zakho, ungabi muhle isitareni sakho kuphela, love yourself, stay true to yourself, ungakhamisi, don't bring vibes, no solutions to life, don't be scared to share someone's post because you think is a threat to your life. The last one will be feel free and don't care. Simple. Ewo?
anizwele bafethu anizwele nakiza inakindaba zakho ilokhu yabuya kaningi bafethu mind your own business zoba mna
Indaba zakho bafethu, nakontribution on social media bafethu, indaba zakho bafethu. I don't know what to say about my brand. I don't know. Feel like I'm bragging, but I think you guys see most music videos in the country, like especially on my piano music videos.
Sure.
I started a lot of like big name piano artists in South Africa.
Yeah.
Just check us out on social media, like Indaba Zako, on Instagram, Naga_Indaba_Zako, and then everywhere else we are Indaba Zako, except of Twitter. Twitter we are NIZ_RC. So yeah, if you wanna order, you can text me on 061 951 7476. I'll repeat that once again, 061 951 7476.
Come on, boy. Come on.
Continue, man. No, you guys are scared or something like that. Because my number is all over, so people are always calling and trying to scare me. So I'm like, alright, go ahead. Hey, I want you to scare my food. But I didn't man.
No. Tama ngisho manje kumele si-order yabo.
Yeah.
So far itholakala online.
Yeah, well, order, then we have a delivery process. I'm going to communicate to you about. But obviously, I prefer to deliver on weekends, Friday to Sunday. During the week, that's impossible. I cannot deliver. That's why I actually do the orders to whatever that needs to be done, that I'm around, and then on weekends we can meet up and get your order.
Alright. Tell me uyacava vele seteksini siku-Quantum sinokuza abantu ba-rain yabo.
Yeah.
So nje kunama-topic nje afike ngifuna siwa-discuss yabo.
I say, Quantum.
Yeah, abantu into abakhuluma ngazo eteksini ngithola. So asiqale nge-discount yabo. Sometimes iyavaya yodlala i-Club World Cup.
Yeah.
So do you see them bafika kula 60?
No, impossible. Unfortunately.
No, you can't say impossible.
I'm just.
Anything is possible. This is football. I tell you.
No, with the structure and the formation they play with, I don't think they'll survive against football. Bro, imagine we are playing with the highest level of footballers worldwide now. Like, I don't want to say this, but I'll say it. I'm going to get Upuzi Savadeka, Yokijima, and Borussia Dortmund. I'm going to be honest. I don't see that happening. No, but I didn't mention anyone's name.
Sure.
I didn't mention
No,
anyone's
that's
name.
a generalize.
That's just generalize. If the shoe fits, that's good.
Mhlawumbe yena akayibuzi savale lesuka play
I'm just saying, you know, I'm just saying, as I'm mentioning, I'm going to you don't think Savannah, okay, you're going to Borussia Dortmund.
but nabo bayakuhlaba ngale. Nabo bayakuhlaba ngale.
I don't know. We don't know. Obviously, but boys, we're talking about technical football now. We're talking about our strategy, our technical formation, our team.
But that's my support.
No, what the TV? I just became a Sundowns fan recently. Like I think last year. Reason because I used to support the Vets. my team and me are one of my teams and not a sponsor shop. So I didn't have anything to support. But I think with what Sundowns has been doing the past season stuff on the cousin, actually because I'm also a winner in life and I like winning, I'm gonna support Sundowns. Yeah, because they have a winning mentality.
Sure. Yeah. All right. Aye, as far as supporting Buffett.
As for supporting positive age, but I'm just saying that I'm for top 16, unfortunately. Just gonna be eating numbers.
So you're sticking to your word?
Yeah, I'm gonna be eating numbers just to represent that. It's just RSA. No, not teenage, just RSA.
Okay.
It's just gonna be some.
Born again. Urulane uthiyami. Uyodlala like ne role model yakho phela. So do you think Urulane if bekavaya ngale squad se-Sundowns behanga compete?
Yeah, he was gonna definitely compete. Yeah, with these tactics, I think. Maybe it was 1 year or that. Yeah, but. Sure, but guys, how do you say it? Guys, I want you can talk, about like this. Get a grounding. Hey, get a grounding. Get a grounding. The shite am I only letting grounding kids are so. One of the grounding are so ground. Oh, Joe, also grounding I remember I'm mistaken goal. So I thought I'm offside and I'm 1v1 to keep. I don't put my key. Somebody obviously panic. I'm can't pay. I will not get paid when I'm going for because I thought I was offside. But I apologize. There you go. Well, I'm not going to feel my opinion. I'm not to feel. Get a grounding. So far as it doesn't, supposed to be position of we so for anybody 17 futhi udlala against or ushela on the bed uzobona ukuthi kanye ground.
All right.
Not when I span but get a ground.
Let's fine.
Span.
All right, my question in Kang is especially on musicians. What is your retirement plan?
Retirement plan. What do you mean retirement plan?
No, the thing is, abantu abaningi about the music industry. In fact, about entertainment industry. Yabo. So, kuba nesikhathi la 10 years later, sebacela ama donation. You understand? So, ukuze wena singakutholi kuleyo position. What is your plan?
Obviously, as you know, as if you listen to the podcast and as you're saying about news, I'm doing a whole lot of stuff. I'm not focusing on music only. I'm doing I'm getting streams of income on other venues. I'm trying. So obviously, me having a business mindset, asas. So when I'm happy, but I doubt. Tell me what was I'm not. So still on my team on the man.
Sure.
So see one.
Yeah, that's the spirit. This one actually.
No. I'm not news.
Yabona into yokuhloma nabongani.
Yeah, yabona mfethu inkinga yabona
Wazomtshela ngama family planning. Abantaki senza kuphela nje ngoba ngisho
no besides ukuthi senza but what is about like a bad people ukuthi ngathi senza kuphela no. Thina black people nje we are misinformed with our stuff. Yeah, I'm told. The unemployment years abantu abumbani bahlala behlala ikasi bengakwazi indaba zabo babhizi bafaka izinto the whole day. Ngoba ukuthi bafaka izinto obviously kuphuma abantwana. Because they're misinformed because they don't know where to get information of us. They don't know where to apply for a job with people. And another thing about us, the people like us, the people are not actually I'm somewhere, man. Like so kuna nje usukala vele nje already CEO we absa. So who nje. Like they don't start somewhere ukuthi every level 1, level 2, level 3 uzofika la yakhona. Yangithola. So must spend bad as black people. Now also white people are not perfect. Now when I'm a mistake kwabo. Yangithola just le utasbazi because asiqali nabo. We abashini indaba zabo zabo.
Ngamaroni yabazi ngisho la.
I'm dating, guys. That's what I was saying. Tibo, what's the difference between dating? Tibo, what's the difference between dating and a relationship, my cousin?
Dating is getting to know someone else.
And relationship
is natural.
Okay, let me put it in simpler terms. Dating, I'm getting to know you. And then when you're in a relationship, it's something that's really confirmed. You guys are going forward. Then and Joel, that's simple.
Oh, now tandana.
I'm getting to know. Even manje bangathi ngifonela angithi ngicela sihlangana phone. I'm happy. Ngizwe ikota yami. Ngiyangindaba zami. It's not like manje isemanje senginvestile lapha manje ukuthi kuphuma imali yokujola or something. Simple as that.
Ngiyakuthola uthiyami. Mfethu mina sengihappy mina. Ayo ngide sidiscussile fandafu. Yeah. So yini into ufuna ukusitshela?
I just want to say shout out to everyone who's playing a big role in my life. From people that are doing my music, mixing and mastering, 7th Wave Studios, Shakes, Saipam, Touchline, Zolile, Ino, Miku, Mebs, Mazala, Kifi, Shaba, my mother, my father, my brothers, guys, long. If you know what we are in, like if he's in Miami, I'm phoning Nyabonga for everything.
Sure.
That's what I can just say. Nah, I ain't coming up with million now, yo.
He didn't support us.
It's not about support, but if you like me, you like me. If you don't, we don't care, bro. It's simple as that.
I feel you, yeah. So in closing, what would you like to say to abantu baserenkeni? Masikhuluma abantu baserenkeni.
Baserenkeni, subscribe to Erenkeni, Quantum Podcast afethu. Support nomfita wami usiya here afethu. Show him love, kumdala afethu. Bring the positive energy. Honest uthando, guys. Nothing is perfect, guys. Actually, if you do something perfect, it means there's something wrong inside yakho. Nothing has ever been perfect. So you must have mistakes in order for you to grow and then shape and be afethu. Shout out afethu. Quantum Podcast, sisonke one love afethu.
Awe. Bafethu ngizwile ke ukuthi hayi ingasabi yenza ama mistakes. Sikhula kanjalo, sikhula ngamaphutha, sifunda ngamaphutha. If usakuyenza amaphutha ngeke ukhula uthiyami. Fandathi sirenkele 4. Nice sign yafanda. 47. Ababiza unyana bafike bazokhala.
Okay, Leo, shout out to Leo. Shout out to Kensai, shout out to King.
Sure.
Shout out to Aqua. Yo, how can I forget Aqua? Yo, Snazzy P, Biscuit, Fundi, Andy, Manels, TLM. Yo, I have
Benjani Betty Aqua.
Great Lunik, imagine Great Lunik.
Betty Aqua Benja.
Oh, of course, but it was late, but I'm scared about late. It was dope. I saw all of the news. I saw the performances in my video on WhatsApp. That looked nice. Shout out to Aquaman for believing in us. It's not easy for as a photographer and graphic designer. He's my boy, Nyamfustana. Day one, he knows that. He must not go on everything, but I know he's got my back. And I am. Yes.
He's over fit. Still go check his over fit.
I check his end of it too.
Still go check his over fit.
47.
And that is
old clinic. Old clinic, perfect. Old clinic, yeah, the passage.
Eat the hall.
Of good time. Tinana machita, spetu cheru betu.